All right, Grandmaster Mario here. I am going to display a run that I just did in Dadish. I did a run in Dadish 1 level 2 blindfolded for the web. I've finally done the web Dadish 1 blindfolded level 2 run finally. So I have now got a world record in all 13 of the level 2 Dadish 1 categories. All three of the minimum jumps, all three of the blindfoldeds, and including the one Dadish collection, I've done all 7 of the regular level 2s. So I got world record in all 13 of them. So I'm gonna show you the latest run that I just did. Yeah. Let's go. So I guess this is what's called pre-recorded. I did it near the end.
I don't know if I... Okay, stop. I actually finished that. That was a sub 3, wasn't it? Wasn't that a sub
I don't know if you can see, you can't really see it that great, but yeah, you can't really see the mobile that great, but I guess I'll have to do. It took me a while to get it. It took me a while to get the time I wanted. This is my web world record. Well, that wasn't the run. That wasn't the run anyways.
I actually
That wasn't the run.
I got a terrible time.
Yeah, that was not the run anyways. Alright, I think here it is. It's right there.
That was a sub 3, wasn't it?
I knew that was a sub 3.
Yeah, it was a 289. Okay, at least I got the sub 3 and the sub 290. Now my mobile world record is a 280, but still, that's good enough. 289. So I now got all the
289.0.
all 13 of the level 2 Dadish 1 world records. I now got all 13 of the level 2 Dadish 1 world record.
I'll show you what I mean
I'll show you what that
after
means
this.
in another video, because I'm gonna record this one that I just did. Record this one again a second time. So I now got all 13 Dadish 1 level 2 world records.
Okay, so I'll show you what that means. Alright, so you see here, level 2 Dadish 1, Possum mode level 2. Oh no, this is Radish, sorry. We got 21 people tied in this one, and then 15 untied. 15 people are not tied. Flooby floob floob. The flu. I'm right there. "43 people tied in this one, but there's 4 that's not tied. There's 4 that's not tied in this. I have all the world records. I was the last to tie it in this. That's actually technically not true, because there's been a couple people that have tied the world record since. There have been a few people who've tied the world record since. So, not really 3, but tied for the world record nonetheless. I'm either tied for all the world records or beating or untied for all the world records. I figured out that out of the 13 Dadish 1 level 2 world records, only 4 of those world records are untied, which are all by me, of course. So 9 out of the 13 world records that I got in level 2, 9 of them were tied by at least one other person. So I have 4 untied world records in level 2s and 9 ties. Only tied by one other person, but it was over 2 years ago. But then we go here. Only 1 tie here. This was done over 3 years ago, so over 2 years of being untied. But no other single person at this point has more than 4 tied world records in level 2. The most level 2 world records in Dadish 1 that anybody else has is 4, and I have 13. And the rest of the community put together only has like 9 world records. And this is an untie. This is the only level 2 Dadish 1 world record on main board of Dadish 1 that I have that is untied. So 5 main board ties and then 1 untie of all 6. No other single person has all 6 though, or even 5. There's 12 people in this. 1st till 9th, and then 3 people tied with 10. That's 12 people. And this was almost 4 years ago. It was 3.5 years ago. And then I'll show you the category extensions. Category extensions. Have all the level 2 category extension world records as well. 3 of them are tied and 3 of them are untied. 3 of them are tied and then 3 of them are untied. So yeah, this is minimum jump mobile. There's 6 people that are tied. And then there's console PC. I've had this one for way longer. I had it two years unchallenged. And then of course I have this one. Not very interesting unties, honestly. Most of my untied world records aren't very interesting because there's nobody else that bothered to do it. Like this one, for instance. And then there's this one. I'm tied with that one as well. This is the only category extensions level 2 that's interesting that I'm untied for. I was going to do this one today and try to get the sub 2.8, but and then of course I just did this one. So yeah, I just did this one. So, not on the board yet, of course. So, yeah, anyways, yeah, all 13 level 2 world records. All the dadish collection one, all 6 of the category extensions, and all 6 of the main board ones. So all 13. 4 untied and then 9 ties. And the most anyone else has got is 4 world records, and they're all tied. I got all 13 world records at this point, anyways. All right, well, we're done. Anyways, Grandmaster Mario, that is all 13 of the level 2 world records for Dadish 1 at least. But anyways, yeah, that's it. Yeah, surprisingly, I don't have any other level 2 world records in any other Dadish games except for the first one. And surprisingly, in the first one, I have all 13 of them. But in no other Dadish games I have any level 2 world records. But anyways, yeah, that's it. We're done. All right, bye.